Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to log out from Facebook. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily log out your account on Facebook. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Facebook account. Once you open your Facebook, you can just click on menu. Once you click on menu, you can see logout. Once you click on logout, you can log out your account from this particular device. But let's look at how, in case you want to check all the devices that has logged into your device, or that has logged into your account, and if you want to remove them, how you can do that. To do this, all you need to do is to just click on your, once you click on the menu, you can see the settings button at the upper right corner. Once you click on that, you can see settings and privacy. Once you click on that, you can see more in account settings, account center. So once you click on see more in account center, you can see password and security. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see where you are logged in. Click on this, and once you click on that, you can see all the devices over here. So just click on your Facebook account. You can see your Instagram and Facebook. Just click on your Facebook account, and once you click on that, you can see all the devices, and you can see select devices to log out. So let me select the device I want to log out my account from. So in order to log out from this device, so you can see all the devices that I have logged into my account on. So you can see, just click on that and then click on log out, and by clicking on log out, that's it. You can log out your Facebook account from all devices. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new